Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the fourth chapter, The Rat Trap. Now, you know that the rat trap seller has stolen the money of the crofter and then he has gone to the forest. There he lost his way, so he lay down on the ground. Then he heard the thumping of the hammer stones. He knew that the sound was coming from Ramsjo Iron Works. He stood up and walked in that direction. Then he reached at Ramsjo Iron Works. There, the blacksmith did not notice much of his presence because usually the peddlers, like rat trap seller, come in for the shelter and warmth. Then the rat trap seller was taking rest in the Ramsjo Iron Works. Then the owner of the Ramsjo Iron Works came on his nightly rounds and noticed the ragged wretch near the furnace. Then he mistook him as an old acquaintance, Niels Olof. He thought that he was one of his old regimental comrade, Captain von Stehen. So he invited him to his home for Christmas. But the peddler was very much surprised. He thought that it was risky for him to accept the offer, so he declined. Then he sent his daughter Edla to persuade the peddler to come home. So she has come there and requested him to stay for Christmas Eve only. Then the peddler agreed to go along with her. Now on the way to the manor house, the peddler thought that he had thrown himself into the lion's den. Now, the next day, in the broad daylight, the iron master realized the stranger was not captain and threatened to call the sheriff. Sheriff means the policeman. So now, the peddler tried to defend himself. He said that he never pretended to be what he was not. He was brought there against his will, and he also told the iron master his philosophy of life. He said that the world was a rat trap, and he himself might one day be tempted by some big bait and get caught in the trap. Now, Edla didn't like her father's asking the poor peddler to leave. She thought it was unfair to turn away the man whom they had invited. She wanted to have the joy of entertaining a homeless wanderer on Christmas Eve. Now she requested for him and asked him to stay back. Christmas Eve at Ramsjo was as usual, and the stranger slept and slept. She made him understand that if he wanted rest and peace, he would be welcome next Christmas also. This had a miraculous effect on him. Next morning they went for early church service, leaving behind the guest who was asleep. That is, Iron Master and his daughter both of them have gone to the church, and the peddler was at their home and was sleeping. They learnt at church that a rat trap peddler had robbed an old crofter. Then Adela becomes very upset. They reached home immediately and learned that the peddler had already left but had not taken anything at all with him. Instead, he had left a small packet for the young girl as Christmas present. She opens the packet and finds a rat trap, 3 wrinkled 10-kroner notes, and also a letter with a request to return the kroners to the crofter. Now, the conclusion is finally the bitter truth dawns on the host. Adela is downcast when she learns that peddler is a thief. The tramp undergoes a change of heart after experiencing her kindness. He returns the stolen money and writes a letter to her, thanking her for helping him escape the rat trap. He attains nobility of spirit and becomes Captain von Stahel. The story ends with the victory of human goodness. He attains nobility of spirit and becomes Captain von Stahel. The story ends with the victory of human goodness. Now, meanings of difficult words: incredulous, unbelieving; stuffed, to fill up with something; peddler, a seller; smashed, badly broken; thickets, dense group of bushes; impenetrable, impassable; gloom, dark, despair, hopelessness; thumping, the sound of some heavy object beating; summoned, gathered; stagger, to walk with difficulty; forge, a shop where metal is heated; barge, a long flat-bottomed boat for carrying freight on canals and rivers; scow, that is a flat-bottomed boat used for transporting cargo to and from ships in harbor; sifted, descended lightly or sparsely, as if sprinkled from a sieve; smelter, a machine in which metal is melted to form into shape; rolling mill, a machine to roll metal into sheets. Now you can go through the glossary and read the lesson, and in the next video we will discuss the questions based on this lesson. Thank you.